In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to the head or footer HTML of Hubspot content. This is really useful when you want to add things like tracking pixels, custom CSS, or JavaScript to a specific page or blog post without affecting your entire site. Maybe you're testing a marketing script on one landing page, or you want a style that only applies to a single blog article. Hubspot makes this pretty straightforward once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open the page or post you want to edit. In your Hubspot account, navigate to the main content area. From there, choose whether you're working on website pages, landing pages, or blog posts. Once you're in the correct section, find the specific page or post you want to modify and open it in the editor. After the editor loads, look toward the top of the screen for the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you away from the content layout and into the configuration area for that particular page or post. Next, scroll down within the Settings view until you see an option labeled Advanced Options. This section is a little bit hidden, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit to find it. Click on Advanced Options to expand it. This is where Hubspot allows you to inject custom code on a per-page basis. Within Advanced Options, you'll see an area called Additional Code Snippets. Inside that area, there are typically two boxes, one for head HTML and one for footer HTML. The head HTML box is where you'll place code that needs to load early, like style sheets, fonts, or verification tags. The footer HTML box is ideal for scripts that can load later, like analytics tags or custom JavaScript that doesn't need to block the rest of the page from loading. Now paste your code into the appropriate box. It's a good idea to double-check that your snippet is complete and properly formatted before moving on. If a developer or a third-party tool provided the code, just paste it exactly as given, without changing anything inside it. Once your code is in place, look to the top right corner of the editor. To apply the changes, click Update if the page is already live, or Publish if it hasn't been made live yet. After saving, your custom code will be active on that specific page or blog post only.